So in this section, I'm going to show us how to edit our profile. That's the first thing you may decide to do when you log into Canvas. And where to start, click onto the account, and in the account you'll find these links here. There are 5 of them. You want to change your profile, so you go to the profile settings. Then on profile settings, you can decide to change the profile picture. Let's start from there. The profile picture, I have 3 options here to change my profile picture. One, I can upload a picture if I already have one picture in my computer. If I don't have a picture, I can decide to take one. Taking one is that easy, so let me just try taking one already. So there you go. If you're not pleased with the picture you just took, then you can decide to retry. Yeah. And once you're pleased with the picture you took, you can decide to save it. The other option, let's say that if I had a picture from Gravita and Gravita found, then I can directly load it onto my canvas as a profile picture. Then once you're happy with the picture you took, you can go on, cancel that. The other thing you can do in profile is edit your profile. Editing will open you the contacts which you can change. I already have Twitter as one of my contacts, and I can also decide to edit my biography. I already have a little something about my biography there, but I can add more or remove something if I want to. I can also decide to add a link, as many links as you can. I have only one link here, which is just information about myself. You can be redirected to that link to find more information about me. You can add as many links as you want, just to give a brief description of who yourself. Then when you're pleased with what you've done in the profile, you'll go to save profile. Remember, all this information is available in Canvas LMS community and Canvas guides. Canvas guides and Canvas video guides. All of these you can find them on Canvas community. So in case of any questions, you can always drop it in the discussion forums and you can discuss with your colleagues.